Welcome to day 21 of my 60-day First to Bulking First challenge. As you're aware that I've not been posting videos recently, and because of my injury, I can say that now I am fully recovered. I recorded this video before I took a break, and you're going to see different workouts than you will be seeing in the next few days, because now I am able to do a full body workout. Although during the injury, what I could just maximize on was just the upper body, and I couldn't be persistent and come to the gym every day. Like I said in my other gym video, that making sure that you're doing everything correctly saves you from an injury. I guess my injury was from overworking out, because I was doing a lot of cardio, I was doing a lot of exercises, and I was doing a lot of cycling as well. Because of my age, I believe that is taking its toll. But at this moment, I am ready to go a little bit harder and visit a different gym. So in the next 5 to 10 days, everything's going to be different. So subscribe, drop a comment below, and like the video.